Welcome to RPA Hub. In this video we will see insert and delete sheet in Excel using UiPath. Inserts a sheet in an Excel file. The activity can be used with an Excel file selected for a parent use Excel file activity or with the project notebook. Deletes a specified sheet from an Excel file. The activity can be used with an Excel file selected for a parent use Excel file activity or with the project notebook. To understand in details, let's build the complete flow from beginning. Open UiPath Studio and create a new process. 2. Drag a sequence container in the workflow designer. We'll use this sequence container for complete flow. Rename with insert and delete sheet. Now if you can see, our Excel file contains some sort of data, and this file we will use for showing insert and delete sheet demo. Excel file contains financial track of individual/organization on expenditure. 3. Add use Excel activity and attach the Excel file and add the reference name as students. 4. Select save changes and create if not exist checkbox. Add insert sheet activity and provide sheet name timetable. Add message box contains message timetable sheet added successfully. Save and run the process to see the output. Once the output generated, student workbook will have additional sheet name with timetable. Now to work with delete sheet, follow these steps. 7. Add delete sheet activity and mention the sheet name to be deleted. Add message box contains message timetable sheet deleted successfully. Save and run the flow to see the result. Let's recap what we have done in this video. We have tried to insert and delete Excel sheet using UiPath. That's all from this video. Hope you learned something from this. If you think so this will be useful, then don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.